Hello, welcome to Comfy Cozy Up. So today I'm going to be talking about the books that I plan to read in February in celebration of Black History Month. So to start off, I will be doing another round of Read So Lit that was created by Dee Dee from Brown Girl Reading. So every year she selects a book that we all read as a group, and this year she selected Unforgivable Love by Sophrina Scott. So I talked about this book briefly in my haul, but this book is a retelling of Dangerous Lysiane, so definitely gonna read it. I'm gonna link her video where she just talks about the book and also the reading groups that she has on Goodreads. The next thing I want to talk about is her photo challenge. This one I absolutely love, and every year I participate. It's a really good way to showcase the books that I have from Black writers. And also, I love seeing other people photos and how creative they are, as well as people who own vintage covers of books. So I love it. So definitely going to participate in that one. The next one I want to talk about is the blackathon. Now, I naturally read a lot of African American books in February, so I love that these three women came together and decided to do this readathon in hopes of encouraging people who normally don't to read books, at least one book from a Black author in February. So there are the novel Lush, Bow Ties and Book, and Francina Simone. And the book that they select to read as a group is The Poet X. Now, I've had this since December. I haven't had it that long, and I definitely want to read it. It's an award book. It's a book that a lot of people love, and I think this is a good selection that they have that I feel like a lot of people may enjoy, and I'm going to read this. They also as a group are going to be doing challenges to kind of make it fun and encourage people to select from different genre, and they have a long list on their Twitter account. So if you are a fantasy person, a YA or romance or anything in any other genres, they have a wide range of books that you can select from Black authors. So definitely encourage you doing that. Now, as far as romance, I have about 3. So The Telltale, Danielle Allen. You know, I love me some Danielle Allen. I read about 3 books last year. Love her. One of my favorites from last year was from her. And so I'm looking forward to this. This one doesn't come out till February 12th, and I'm here for it. The next one on our list is Snowflake by Nia Forrester. I haven't read anything from Nia Forrester in a year, but this one has gotten some good reviews, and people are saying that it's one of her best. So I'm definitely going to pick this up. I think I already downloaded on my Kindle, so I'm probably going to read it as soon as possible. The next book I want to talk about is Breathless by Beverly Jenkins. It's another book that I need to read. It will be my second one in the series, the old Western series. The first one I read was Forbidden, and I loved it. So definitely going to pick this one up. And then other books that I hope, strong word, hope, because so far I have a lot already on my list. And the first one is by Marlon James. You guys, if you're watching my video, you know I absolutely love him. I've read all the books he's ever published, and they all are crazy, interesting, very creative, very creepy sometimes, but they're very good. And his new book, Black Leopard, Red Wolf, and it's a fantasy. Don't normally read fantasy, but it's Marlon James, so I'm going to give it a try. I definitely don't think I'm going to finish it because it's very much a chunky book, and so I'm going to probably wait towards the end of the month to pick this one up and continue it on into March. The other book that I hope to get to is On Kindness of Ghosts by River Solomon. Now, this book has been on my shelf for about a year now, and I need to read it. I need to. So I am going to try and pick it up. And then the last book is a recent purchase, and it is An Orchestra of Minority. And this one I want to pick up as well. It's a bit of a it is chunky, and the print is small. So this is another one that's going to consume a lot of my time, but it's going to be in a pile because lately I've been struggling to feel motivated to read a lot of books, and I feel like I need to give myself option and try a different genre, different kind of writing style, and hopefully I'm able to read a lot in February. I'm hoping. So anyway, this is all that I'm going to be talking about today. And what's a book you're looking forward to read in February? Let me know. Put in the description, comment section. Yeah, it's a long day, guys. It's snowing. Hello, spring. I need you back. Anyway, thanks for watching and have a good day.